Hey everybody, we have sad news that one of the Montgomery group, Troy, passed away today, on September 8th from a plane accident in New Jersey, guys. I've been listening to the music, I've been watching the videos since I was a teenager. Um, Guys, just keep your prayer for Troy from one member of the group or band, Montgomery. Please keep Troy in your prayers. Alright. I just found out today that, about the airplane accident. Yeah, and I'm in New Jersey, and I'm like on my Facebook, and I'm like, oh wow, one of my artists, my favorite artists, the song they sing, CMT. I'm like, so sorry guys, I have my TV on. I want him to meet the Montgomery group and guys, when I found out that he passed, pray for his family and to him also that died of airplane uh, accident, airplane crash accident. Because if you never know what his music, just look it up. Montgomery or some, I forget what they call it, Montgomery something. Um, please, um, please, begging you, pray for him and his family. I'm gonna pray for him tonight. Guys, if you need, just hit subscribe and notification in case if I go live. All right, I love you guys. Please pray for one member of the group, Troy or the Montgomery. All right, help me support my merch. Please help me support my merch on my YouTube channel. Help me get to 1K. All right, I love you guys. EV peace.